Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study for medical coding exams. First, familiarize yourself with the exam's content outline to know exactly what to expect. Next, ensure you have the most current coding manuals, such as ICD 10CM, CPT, and HCPCS Level Roman II. These are your primary resources. Finally, develop a realistic study schedule, dedicating specific times each week to review different sections. Consistency is key to retaining complex information. To study effectively, concentrate on truly understanding the coding guidelines rather than just memorizing codes. Practice coding various scenarios every day. This hands-on application solidifies your knowledge. Create flashcards for important medical terminology, common prefixes, and suffixes to quickly recall their meanings. Active engagement with the material will significantly boost your comprehension and retention for the exam. Taking full-length practice exams under timed conditions is crucial. This simulates the actual test environment and helps you manage your time effectively. After each practice test, thoroughly review all incorrect answers. Understand why you made mistakes and revisit those specific topics. Highlight important rules and tips directly within your coding manuals. This personalized approach turns your manuals into powerful study tools for faster information retrieval. On exam day, ensure you get at least 8 hours of sleep the night before to be well-rested and focused. Arrive at the testing center early with all necessary identification and approved materials, like your coding manuals. During the exam, read each question carefully and manage your time wisely. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals to help you stay hydrated and prepared. Good luck, and you've got this.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.